It's my first video, so welcome to my channel. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the wonders of the universe. In today's video, we will take you on an exciting journey through the vast expanse of space and learn about the fascinating world of astronomy. Whether you're a beginner or an avid stargazer, get ready to be amazed. Hello, space enthusiasts. I'm Usama, and today we're diving into the awe-inspiring world of astronomy. From stars and planets to galaxies and beyond, let's embark on an adventure to explore the wonders of the universe. Let's start with the basics. Our universe is an immense expanse of stars, galaxies, and cosmic mysteries. It's estimated to be over 13 billion years old and spans billions of light-years across. But what exactly are stars and galaxies? Stars are gigantic balls of hot gases that emit light and heat. They are born from clouds of gas and dust called nebulae and go through various stages of their life cycle, including birth, fusion, and death. Galaxies, on the other hand, are vast systems of stars, gas, and dust held together by gravity. There are different types of galaxies, such as spiral, elliptical, and irregular, each with its unique features and characteristics. Astronomers use telescopes, space probes, and other tools to study stars, galaxies, and the universe. They analyze light, radiation, and other data to unlock the mysteries of the cosmos, such as the age, size, and composition of celestial objects, the birth and death of stars, and the expansion of the universe. But wait, there's more. Did you know that there are planets beyond our solar system, known as exoplanets? Some of them may even have conditions suitable for life. And what about black holes, supernovae, and dark matter? The universe is full of mind-bending phenomena that continue to challenge our understanding of the cosmos. Astronomy is not only about studying the stars and galaxies, but also about understanding the fundamental principles that govern the universe, such as gravity, time, space, and energy. It's a captivating field that continues to expand our knowledge and inspire us to explore the unknown. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned stargazer, I hope you've enjoyed this journey through the wonders of the universe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos about astronomy and beyond. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure. Until next time, keep looking up and exploring the mysteries of the universe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.